AI can help fans and bettors predict the outcomes of games and tournaments. AI can use machine learning and deep learning to analyze historical data, current trends, and real-time information, and generate probabilistic forecasts for various scenarios, such as who will win, who will score, or what will be the final score.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
How AI is used in popular games and stadiums. AI is a powerful technology that can enhance the gaming experience and fan engagement in various ways. Here are some examples of how and where AI is professionally used. AI Referee. AI can help referees make more accurate and fair decisions in games such as football, basketball, or tennis. AI can analyze video footage, detect fouls, offsides, or out of bounds, and assist human referees with instant replays and VR, video assistant referee, systems. AI can also reduce human bias and errors, and improve the consistency and transparency of the officiating. Personalized training and diet plans. AI can help athletes and coaches optimize their performance by providing personalized and data-driven training and diet plans. AI can monitor the physical and mental condition of the players, track their progress, and suggest the best exercises, nutrition, and recovery strategies for each individual. AI can also help prevent injuries and enhance the well-being of the players. Scouting and recruitment. AI can help teams and managers find and recruit the best talent for their games. AI can analyze data from various sources, such as game statistics, social media, or scouting reports, and identify the most promising players based on their skills, potential, and fit with the team's style and culture. AI can also help negotiate contracts and salaries, and reduce the risk of bad signings. Match predictions. AI can help fans and bettors predict the outcomes of games and tournaments. AI can use machine learning and deep learning to analyze historical data, current trends, and real-time information, and generate probabilistic forecasts for various scenarios, such as who will win, who will score, or what will be the final score. AI can also provide insights and explanations for its predictions, and update them dynamically as the game progresses. Ticketing. AI can help stadiums and organizers optimize their ticketing strategies and maximize their revenue. AI can use dynamic pricing algorithms to adjust ticket prices based on supply and demand, customer behavior, weather conditions, or other factors. AI can also help segment customers based on their preferences, loyalty, or spending habits, and offer them personalized discounts, promotions, or rewards. Automated sports journalism. AI can help create engaging and informative content for sports fans and media outlets. AI can use natural language generation, NLG, to write summaries, reports, or articles based on game data or live events. AI can also use natural language processing, NLP, to understand the sentiment and emotions of the fans and generate content that matches their tone and style.